Hi everyone, and welcome to another Tried Forex Power Hour. Today's July 15th, 2014. I'm going to do today what I've done for years, which is an analysis of the markets and evaluation of our biases, which are based upon the 5 p.m. Eastern Time close of our daily bars. Let's go ahead and get started here. So basically on the euro, guys, we're going to call a sell. We're going to look for it to sell down to 135.40. Off of 135.40, I'm looking for a buy. Back into consolidation and continuation of this consolidation movement. So I'm looking for a buy off of 135.40 and a sell off of current levels and off of 135.76. Dollar Swiss, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to be looking for a buy up to 89.68, which is the 200 EMA, and also potentially at 89.94, which would be about the biggest trend line that we have there. So if price does continue on beyond that, that's another sell point. Then I'm going to look for a sell off of 89.90 back into consolidation. Dollar Swiss, man, what an interesting trade. It really came outside of consolidation. Then it went back into consolidation. It was really interesting. Actually, you know, I look at it, I think there was another trend line that it was operating off of. And there it goes. All right, so there was a trend line there. Price sold off down to the trend line. Trend line's at 170.46. Price went down to 170.58 and then moved back into consolidation. So from here, guys, what I'm looking for is consolidation movement. That means a sell off of 1.7200 or a sell off of 171.66. Those are our two selling points, and our buy point is 1.7100. Okay. And that's it until we see this consolidation anew in this trend line hold. That's what we have for consolidation on the pound dollar. Dollar yen, I'm looking for a buy up to 101.87, then a sell off from there. Aussie dollar, I'm going to be looking for a buy off of 93.50 and continuation upward. All these are consolidation pairs, guys. New Zealand dollar, I'm going to look for a buy off of 87.13. Okay, I'm looking for price to get down to 87.13, and then I'm looking for a buy from there on the New Zealand dollar. Pound yen, I'm looking for a buy all the way up from current levels up to 174.70, and then I'm going to look for a sell off of 174.70 down in the consolidation on the pound yen. Euro yen, I don't quite have a trade. It's a very narrowing consolidation, so I'm going to leave that as it is. The dollar CAD, I'm going to look for a buy up to 1.0800, and then I'm going to look for a sell from that point off of 1.0800. So that's also going to find consolidation. With that having been said, that is it, guys. All the best. Good luck in your trading. Just to recap from yesterday, so I wanted to call a pound dollar, and I wanted to call a pound dollar sell because we were below consolidation, or what I believe to be consolidation, and so we sold off, we got about 32 pips off of it, and it just moved back up very, very strongly. So that one was off. The rest of our calls were pretty much on. I think there were one or two others that didn't do well. We did do extremely well on the pound yen, though. The pound yen was, we fell flat on the pound dollar, which was a sell, but on the pound yen, we were completely on point. What do I mean by that? Well, we called a buy off of 173.30, and price went down to 173.26, and it went all the way up to 174, whatever this is, 174.53. So it was great movement by the market as far as that's concerned. You're going to have your winners, you're going to have your losers, and somewhere in between, and that's exactly what we had yesterday. Hopefully today will be much clearer. With that being said, happy trading, guys. We will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.